Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey vinaigrette. Let's start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of your preferred vinegar, and 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper. These simple components form the delicious foundation of your homemade dressing. Now, let's achieve that beautiful emulsification. In a medium bowl, combine your honey, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Whisk these together until well blended. Then, slowly, in a thin stream, begin to drizzle in the 3/4 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant agitation are key to creating a smooth, creamy, and stable vinaigrette. Want to personalize your vinaigrette? Consider adding 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It not only adds a lovely tang but also helps stabilize the emulsion. Fresh herbs like finely chopped parsley, chives, or a sprig of thyme can elevate the flavor profile. Always taste and adjust the honey or vinegar to achieve your perfect balance of sweet and tart. Experiment and make it your own. Once your delicious honey vinaigrette is ready, proper storage is important. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Before each use, give it a good shake, as some separation is natural. This versatile dressing is perfect for green salads, roasted vegetables, or even as a light marinade for chicken or fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.